Good morning, everybody. All right, just want to put it out there that if you guys enjoy off-roading and occasional boat stuff, why don't you go ahead, hit that subscribe button so you can see about what's going on. My name is Tim. Welcome to the channel. So before we get into the garage, I want to show you something in front of the truck, but I got some really good news. The truck is fixed. I'm so happy. All right, so the issue that was making that clinking noise or the clunking noise or that weird noise, and actually a couple of you guys got it right on the nose. It was the U-joint, but also it was the two front bearings as well, but those needed to be changed. But the last part that was causing a little bit of vibration and that noise was actually the U-joint. So on the rear drive shaft, on the back side or the differential side U-joint, it was bad. Here, I'll show you the pictures of what I found. All right, so with that said, really happy that the truck is fixed and it's back on the road and it pretty much be back on the trails. Let's go in front of the truck and show you what I'm talking about, what this whole video is actually for. So the issue that I'm having is actually the front here. So I'm assuming from all of the highway travels and everything, because this is like in the front of the truck that's protruding the truck, it's starting to wear down. The road grime, the sand or the road dirt, all the debris that's coming off of this. So this needs to be changed in order to protect the synthetic line. Like it's I don't want to say it's fraying, but it's starting. And as you guys know, these synthetic lines are not cheap. So let's go into the garage and see what my solution is. All right, that's right. I'm upgrading to a factory 55 Flatlink E Expert. Okay, so got a sticker. Definitely, you know, I'm gonna be rocking this sticker. Some nice literature to read, and then the unit itself. Done. All right, so the reason why I went with this is instead of having just a regular factory 55, which is for the shackles, this one here you can put, it'll be a lot easier to put hooks or put this on a hook or anything else. So that's what I want. How am I gonna do this? I wanna do the warning symbols pointing upwards. So one tool that's going to help me out with this is actually going to be the snap ring plier set. So I'm going to go ahead, take this out of the box and find out which one I need. So now there is an internal snap ring right here that we got to remove in order to take this pin out, so that way we can actually mount it onto the synthetic rope. But first we got to actually take out the old hook. Probably add this to my kit just in case as a backup or a redundancy plan. This will fit nicely right in between. We just gotta remove the snap ring. Easy as pie. Oh, that looks so good. Such a low profile. Now for the rope guard, I did get the wrong one, so I'm actually gonna order the right one. I'll do an update when I get that. But for now, nice. Those tires have to be changed. All right, with that said, it is done. super simple job. I'm actually really, it looks really good. I like it. Sorry. Super simple job when you get the right tools. And but no, this is a big thing because we have a very big trip coming up. We're in the midst of planning it right now, and super excited to show you guys. It's gonna be an absolute beautiful trip with the fall, the color of the leaves is mainly why we want to do it right now. I'm trying to finish up little projects here and there around the truck, so that way we're ready to go. Probably try to end up putting that panel back into the truck that I've neglected to do all this time. But until then, stay safe, and who knows, maybe we'll see you out there.